Did you know that the foods you eat can play a significant role in keeping your blood pressure in check? Well, you're in for a treat, because in this video we'll be uncovering 8 incredible high potassium foods that deserve a prime spot on your plate every single day. So, if you're looking to make a positive impact on your heart health and overall well-being, stick around as we explore these potassium powerhouses that not only tantalize your taste buds but also work wonders for your blood pressure. But before we jump in, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips for a healthier lifestyle. The top 8 foods strong in potassium that reduce blood pressure. Hi, everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll talk about 8 amazing foods high in potassium that can significantly lower your blood pressure. It's crucial to remember that high blood pressure is mostly caused by sodium retention. Thankfully, potassium helps your body get rid of extra sodium, which lowers blood pressure. This emphasizes how important potassium is to include in your diet as a vital element in the fight against high blood pressure. Let's now explore the variety of foods high in potassium that you should really think about include into your daily diet. First, an avocado has about 345 milligrams of potassium in half of an avocado. In addition to being a fantastic source of potassium, avocados are also naturally low in sodium. Just approximately 5 milligrams are found in half of an avocado. Avocados are also a great source of important vitamins including C and E, which are potent antioxidants and have a major role in lowering high blood pressure. As a result, eating avocados increases your intake of potassium and gives you a variety of health benefits that support normal blood pressure levels. The second item on our list is potatoes, which may seem like an odd choice given their high carbohydrate content, but they actually lower blood pressure. For example, a small baked potato has an amazing 740 milligrams of potassium. All 3 types of potatoes, red, white and sweet, are great options for supporting heart health and preserving ideal blood pressure levels. However, it's crucial to pay attention to the cooking technique. Boiling or baking retains the nutritional content of potatoes without adding extra fat, so avoid harmful options like fries. Now let's talk about number 3 on our list, fruits. Including fruits in your diet is a great method to guarantee that you are getting enough potassium from the variety of fruits that are readily available. In addition to being a tasty option, bananas, cantaloupes, and kiwis are particularly good providers of this healthy mineral. Studies have shown that eating just 2 bananas a day can lower blood pressure by as much as 10%. In addition, cantaloupes and kiwis are high in potassium and vitamin C, increasing their positive effects on health. Therefore, including these fruits which are high in potassium in your daily routine will not only help you achieve your blood pressure objectives but will also provide you a delicious taste boost in vital nutrients. Let's move on to number 4, fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources of potassium, but they also provide an additional important component called omega-3 fatty acids. It is imperative to choose fresh, frozen or canned fish when buying fish, because these healthy substances have been linked to lowering blood pressure and enhancing the lining of blood vessels. Steer clear of fish that has been soaked in brine, as this may raise your body's sodium levels, negating the benefits of potassium and perhaps affecting your blood pressure. Thus, make wise choices and benefit from the potassium and omega-3 rich benefits of fish for your cardiovascular health as a whole. Let's move on to number 5, dairy products. Yogurt in particular is a nutrient powerhouse full of calcium, magnesium, potassium and vitamin D, all of which help lower blood pressure. Because yogurt is fermented, it also contains active peptides that may help control blood pressure levels. With the exception of yogurt's fermentation benefits, milk and yogurt have comparable nutritional profiles. Therefore, combining yogurt and milk in your diet not only supplies vital vitamins and minerals but also helps you control your calorie intake, but also has the potential to control blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health overall. Let's move on to number 6, leafy greens. Adding potassium-rich greens like kale, spinach, and romaine lettuce to your morning smoothie is a great way to help lower blood pressure. Other leafy greens that are noteworthy sources of potassium include Swiss chard, collard greens and arugula. Additionally, Several of these greens are high in nitrates, which are vital substances recognized for their capacity to assist in controlling blood pressure. Therefore, these leafy greens offer a perfect combination of potassium and nitrates to assist your path towards maintaining good blood pressure levels, whether you're blending them into a smoothie or adding them into your meals. Now let's move on to number 7, which is unsalted seeds. Because of their abundance in potassium, magnesium and other minerals, seeds are well known for their potential to lower blood pressure and have favorable outcomes you may want to think about. Include seeds in your diet like flax, pumpkin, squash and sunflower, but make sure the seeds are unsalted. Alternatively, your body's salt equilibrium could be upset, which could lower your blood pressure by choosing unsalted seeds. You can support your blood pressure goals, maintain a healthy sodium balance and fully benefit from their potassium and mineral richness. Now let's discuss beans on number 8. Magnesium and potassium are essential minerals that are present in large quantities in a variety of beans, including kidney beans. A fantastic strategy to help control your blood pressure is to include beans in your diet, whether they be pinto or lima beans. Another noteworthy source of these minerals is lentils. Moreover, soluble fiber, which is abundant in all of these beans, is important in decreasing blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you should include these foods high in potassium in your diet. However, if you also have renal problems, you should control your potassium consumption, because too much potassium can interact with some medications. Use only whole food sources of potassium as those in this video to guarantee a well-rounded strategy and prevent any issues.
Thank you so much for joining me today to explore these fantastic high potassium foods that can have a positive impact on your blood pressure and overall health. Remember, making simple and wholesome changes to your diet can make a world of difference. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more valuable content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you have any question, comments, or your own favorite high potassium recipes, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and learning about your health journey. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.